It's now time for Section 1. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Now, earlier we had the toss and Crescent Primary won and decided to send Racecourse Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Racecourse Primary. Bible knowledge. Arrange these books in the order they appear in the Bible. Deuteronomy, Joshua, Numbers.
Joshua. Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua.
Correct. Crescent. Bible knowledge. Arrange these books in the order they appear in the Bible. Psalms, Esther, Job.
Esther, Job, Psalms. Esther, Job, Psalms.
Correct. Local affairs, a visual question, race scores. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Matthew Samuda.
Incorrect. Everett Warmington, Cabinet Minister. Local affairs, a visual question, Crescent. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Matthew Samuda.
Correct. Cabinet Minister. Science, race course. Which word starting with A means to take up or soak up a substance?
Absorb. Absorb.
Correct. Crescent. Science, which word starting with S is another term for backbone?
Spine. Spine.
That's correct. Please don't shout. Visual question for you, race course. Look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Popeye the Sailor. Popeye the Sailor Man.
Correct. Crescent, a visual question for you, television. Look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Squidward tentacles. Squidward tentacles.
Correct. Race course, English language. Give a 6-letter word starting with S, which is an antonym for abundant.
Just say seldom or something.
Seldom.
Incorrect. Scarce. English language, Crescent. Give a 7-letter word starting with G, which is an antonym for artificial.
Genuine. Genuine. Genuine.
Correct. Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Coco Golf.
Incorrect. Haley Matthews, West Indies cricketer. Sports, a visual question. Crescent. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Khadija Bonishaw. Khadija Bonishaw.
Jamaican footballer. That's correct. Race course, general knowledge. Which continent is known as the cradle of humanity?
Africa. Africa.
Correct. General knowledge, Crescent. Which African country is known as the land of the pyramids?
Egypt. Egypt.
Correct. Social studies, race course. Complete the statement correctly by filling in the missing word. Or dash are the people we are descended from.
Ancestors. Ancestors.
Correct. Social studies, Crescent. Complete the statement correctly by filling in the missing word. An dash group is a community of people who share common ancestors and a common culture.
Ethnic. Ethnic.
Correct. Music, race course. Which Jamaican musician and singer was known as the gong?
Damian Marley. Damian Marley.
Incorrect. Bob Marley. Crescent. Music, which Jamaican musician and singer is known as Junior Gong?
Damian Marley. Damian Marley.
Correct. Mathematics, race course. What is 7.158 rounded to the nearest hundredth?
7.16.
7.16.
Correct. Mathematics, Crescent. What is 8.325 rounded to the nearest tenth?
8.3.
8.3. 8.3.
Correct. Jamaican affairs, race course. Who is the opposition spokesman on national security?
Peter Bunting. Peter Bunting.
Correct. Crescent. Jamaican affairs. Who is the opposition spokesman on finance?
Marsha Smith. Marsha Smith.
Incorrect. Julian Robinson. Sports. And we don't have time for any more questions in this section. That's the end of Section 1, and the scores are Crescent Primary on 10 and Racecourse Primary on 7. Before we go to our break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Talk about your school experiences with your parents or guardians each day. Sharing is a great way to keep the family engaged about your progress in school. That's your Guardian Achiever tip. Please stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this break.